Looking for the best security camera to protect your home or business? In this video, we reveal the top security cameras of the year, featuring crystal clear video quality, smart motion detection, night vision, and reliable monitoring. Stay tuned to discover the perfect camera for your security needs and find out which model offers the best value for your money. Number 1. ANRAN Solar Camera. The solar panel is integrated with the camera and continuously absorbs solar energy to supply power for the built-in battery of the camera, directly charging faster. Super long battery life and long time standby. If you live in an environment with little sunlight, you can buy external solar panels to increase the charging speed, or connect to a 5V/1A charge adapter to use it. Permanent 7-day free cloud storage. Each video is stored for 6 seconds, and if you need more cloud storage space, you can purchase it through the ANRAN app. The camera is equipped with an SD card slot, which supports the use of 8 to 128 GB SD card to record and save videos. The SD card not included in the parcel. The camera automatically switches between sleep and active modes according to the environment, which is more energy efficient. When people enter the motion area, the camera would quickly wake up to record, and the LED lights on send out an alarm message via the app. When there is no one in the monitoring area, the camera enters sleep mode. Two-way voice allows you to talk to the person in front of the camera, and supports sharing with up to 7 users at the same time, allowing them to view it in real time. Number 2. 8MP 4K IP Camera. 8MP 4K IP Camera Outdoor PTZ 30x Optical Zoom CCTV on VIF H.265 Dome PWI Vehicle Detection Security Camera Hikvision Compatible. The newest Sony IMX415 sensor brings you the ultimate real 4K experience and captures more details, especially in low light, with a high resolution of 8 megapixels, 3840 by 2160. This 8MP HD IP surveillance camera is able to capture videos in 3840p HD quality. It is a huge advancement compared to 720p HD or 1080p Full HD. You never miss a single detail of your loved ones, which enables you to see all objects very clearly. All-round monitoring without blind spots, which is very important for security protection. With the 355 degrees pan and 90 degrees tilt functions, this CCTV security camera outdoor can monitor any corner of your property. You can manually rotate the camera lens up, down, left, and right from your smartphone, and change the lens position freely. 30x optical motorized zoom enables you to zoom in to see more details of faraway objects without impairing image quality, or zoom out to get a wider and larger view, 36 degree 100 degree. Control the 30x zoom rotating through the NVR PC and smartphone. Built-in advanced microphone and speaker, and with anti-noise technology for a clear voice communicating between the app and camera. The camera allows you remote access to communicate with welcomed guests, or scare off intruders while you are not at home. The microphone will capture the sounds around the camera, providing you with additional information and evidence, if needed, to your security. Number 3. Baseus Security S1 Outdoor Camera. At Baseus Security, we are fully committed and dedicated to securing your home safety as well as your privacy. With our TV-certified military-grade encryption technology, your personal data remains private and only accessible to you. You have total control over your privacy. No need to get instant alerts and access via the Baseus Security app when something suspicious is detected. Talk to whoever is on the other side of the camera at any time, even while away. Connect to Baseus H1 Home Station and your Wi-Fi to expand storage for an enhanced experience.
Thank you for watching this.
Like, comment, and subscribe.